Hi, I'm Rob the Ranger. Welcome to another episode of the Safari Highlights. Yeah. See the little birds dive bombing it now.
Ah, getting aggressive.
Spotted eagle owl. There's the little one. Little one is not doing what mother is telling him.
And that was it.
A quick pose.
Yeah. Job's done.
No adult male in an elephant herd, unless there's a female to mate with. This one's throwing a tantrum for no apparent reason. Again, hard to say exactly how old it is, but it's probably in the region of 3 years old. Maybe a bit more. But they're not very pretty, so they're always made out to be the bad guys.
Copy, thanks.
They eat first inside.
Are they?
Updates in the channel, please. Ximhungwe and Gala on Concordia bumper, fence line 34 cut line. There is a 2 available, but I'm still quite far.
It's fun. It's cool.
See.
She's going.
English this morning, so Darren can take that.
We do often see this one and the big male interact. It's busy doing something else, young lady. Just looking for a bit of shade to sit in there.
So look, get a little injury. You know?
Sense their surroundings. They can't smell, so they use the tongue to pull in the scent particles into the vomeronasal organ, or Jacobson's organ. They pick up the scent that way rather than smelling traditionally. About 5 different access roads in here. Take whichever one you'll get here in the end.
Okay, I'm more on the western side, like top them west almost.
Yeah, promised that there was an access from that side. Catching flies now.
Thank you, I'll try that. Yeah, I think I'm going to come home by top there.
Quick scent mark there before he goes. Just have a look.
Il a carrément perdu un bout du pied.
Since it's been about 3 months old, it's been in and out, up and down in the lodge. Sometimes see them playing around at the swimming pools. And
That was a very big female. The big touch for a female.
Sounds too strong.
Stop and take on the next fast 10 as I was there.
But you knew there was a waterfall there.
Yep.
Because I thought, how is this? It's going to drink. There's no water there.
there we go. Now she's finished. And there's three of what started off as 5 brothers.
Right.
Well, 5 brothers came into the reserve anyway. And
Copy Pet, I'll come your way.
which for a city on the sea sounds a bit ridiculous, doesn't it? Yeah.
You're just looking at us. What are you guys looking at? Wish I had some carrots.
She is a big female, dwarfing all the others around her, so she'll be the matriarch of the group. There is no dominant male.
It's kind of. She turned this way.
Well, we've seen 4 in the big 5.
It's not bad.
Thank you very much for joining me once again. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, share, comment. See you next time. You can also follow me on all the social networks with the hashtag #NowFilming for live updates from Safari.